Hello everyone, today I will be showing you a demo on Xilinx ISC software and you will be knowing everything about how to run Visual Verilog code in this software and simulate it accordingly. So before that, everyone should be ready with your installed software in your PC, and you should make sure that there is no issue with the installation process before continuing. Those who are facing problem in installation, I'll be giving showing you some hint. This may help you in installation. So after downloading the rar file, this rar file, you have to extract it. After extraction, the folder structures will be like that. There is a ISC 147 underscore crack folder is there where license is stored. We can use the license and locate the license after installation. This is the installation process. You can follow the steps and install it accordingly. This is the setup xsetup.exe. You have to run it and install it properly. This is all about the briefing of installation process. Now if you have installed the software, then you have to search it in your PC as project navigator. So there is two versions, 64-bit, 32-bit. So you can choose any one depending upon your system compatibility. So I am selecting 32-bit as 32-bit is working fine in my PC. So if you have already done a programming, then this will be your interface, and if you are a first time user, then this will be your interface. For doing a new project or write a new code, you have to write and create a new project, give a name, so here some information has to be filled up. Here you can see I have selected RTX 7, device name this one, package this, and speed. I have selected this from this reference. This is the board available in our lab, Xilinx FPGA board. This is the FPGA RTX 7, you can see, and device name XC7A100T. This CSG324 is the package name, and 1C is the speed. So from this I have filled up this field, and I have selected the preferred language as VHDL. Next, finish. Then right click on the device, create a new source, VHDL module select or gate, click next, give the input. I think dot I have written A comma B, this is Y as output. Next, finish. So this is by default it's created entity or gate. Port A B is the input in standard logic, Y is the output standard logic, and or gate, this is the entity module in case of Verilog. And under this begin you have to write your code. So I am writing I assigned to A or B, save it. Under the synthesize -xst, check syntax is there, check syntax, uncheck syntax. Syntax is correct. View RTL schematic. So this is the top module A, B and Y as to output. If you click, you will get see the OR gate is generated. Now to simulate it, we have to write a test bench. So right click in the file, new source, BHDL test bench, OR gate TBW. Select the top module, then finish. So here you can see some clocks. We are not simulating the sequential circuit, so you have to remove the clock or comment it. All the lines related to clock. Now I have to write here our states of or every possible combinations of OR gate. So A assigned to single bit, we have to write in single quote 0 semicolon. B is assigned to 0 semicolon and we have to repeat the state with wait for 100 nanosecond line. Then 1 then B1 1 So this is, I have given all the possible combination. Now select simulation, simulate the behavioral. So you can see the truth table is verified with the waveform 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. So this is all about for OR gate in VHDL programming. Now if you like to simulate the OR gate in Verilog, you have to create new project, OR gate Verilog. Just you have to change this one to Verilog, rest are same. Finish. Right click on the device, new source, Verilog module. I would select Verilog module, OR gate Veri. Give the input as earlier, Y as the output. Next, finish. So here you can see the changes. Earlier there is a entity, here module keyword is used. Just you have to write a line assign Y equals to A or B. Next, similarly you have to check syntax. BURTL previously done. Top module A, B and Y. So now we have to simulate it. For that, new source, Verilog text fixture, select, or test bench should be selected, OR gate TBW. Now write the add stimulus line is there, so write the values A equals to 1, B equals to 0, next equals to 0, B equals to 1, and last combination is 1 1. Simulate it. So you can see I have simulated both in both code Verilog and VHDL, and I have generated the same gate using two version. So this is all about a simulation of OR gate using both VHDL and Verilog. Now let us simulate some other program which is in structural modeling and little bit lengthy program, so that you can get a better idea of using component or using other module in your program. So I have a project already written, a 4-bit parallel adder. So let us open the project and get an idea of it. This is 4-bit parallel adder. So here you can see 4-bit parallel adder code is written in Verilog, and A and B is have given vector input 4-bit, C is input single bit, sum is again 4-bit, carry is in single bit. I have called full adder, where full adder is written here. Full adder is written here. The definition of full adder is written here. Single bit adder, that is a normal data flow modeling is done, and here I have used 4 full adder to make 4-bit parallel adder, and the dot A means the pin of full adder is mapped with 4-bit parallel adder pin A0. Dot B means pin of full adder is mapped with B0 bit of 4-bit parallel adder. Similarly, this code is written. Let us check the RTL, so it will be more clear. So this is the top module, 4-bit parallel adder. A 3 down to 0, B 3 down to 0, C is the input, sum is the output, sum 3 down to 0, carry is the output. We double click, you will see full adder as a bus. If we double click on the full adder, you can see the full adder as a bus input. So this is a structural modeling of 4-bit parallel adder. If you simulate it, I have already written the test bench here. As earlier I have told you, this is the initial input. I have given some 2-bit to add, 2 4-bit number to add, and let us simulate it. So this is the output. You can see is 0, carry is 1, and you can check it by adding it. Simple binary addition, perform simple binary addition and check it. Now let us check another program in VHDL. Open project. mux 16:1 mux project is there, where I have used 4:1 mux as a component. If you see here, you can see the entity, the main module is 16:1, A is 16 bit, S is 4 bit, select line, and Y is the output. Here component, as a component 4:1 mux is used, A, B, C, D, 0, S0, S1, and component. This is component part which we will be calling in the program, and I have given instance name mux1, mux2, mux3, mux4, mux5, and I have called the component. Then a keyword is used, port map, and accordingly I have placed the top module pin with the position of the component respectively. So this is the programming style of structural programming style of in VHDL. Earlier I have shown in Verilog. Here it is a VHDL programming, and a temporary signal is used, F1, F2, F3 to connect intermediate, where intermediate connection is done through signal. So this is F1, F2, F3 is, F4 is used as a intermediate signal, which is written in the last line of the mux. Last mux is used with this number, this signal. If you want to see this RTL, you can see this RTL here. Double click it. Here you can see 5 mux is there. We have called 5 mux. So here RTL 5 mux is there. Accordingly, wiring has been done depending upon the code. So let us simulate it. Oh, I have wrongly selected the file, that's why I have to select the test bench. Now it's coming. So this is the mux output. Y is 0, that is select line 10th bit is 0, so you can check it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th bit is 0, so output is 0. So this is all about the tutorial, and I hope you will get some idea from this demo. Thank you.